look. Things are getting back to normal at Denver International Airport, but lots of folks ended up spending the night there. The storm delayed or canceled nearly 500 flights yesterday. Crews worked through the night, and the travelers who did get stranded seemed to take it all in stride.
Thank goodness for Wi-Fi. I read newspapers on my iPad and read books and watch people, and yeah, it's not been real uncomfortable.
Well, Angie there did tell us the first thing she wants to do when she gets home is sleep in her own bed. Hopefully, she'll be on a plane here in just about an hour.